Many people ask a simple but important question. What does Islam really want from its followers? More rules, more arguments, more labels, or better human beings? What if being a better Muslim doesn't pull you away from humanity, but actually makes you more humane, more ethical, and more compassionate? Today, I want to share one core idea. Islam is not just about becoming better Muslims, it is about becoming better humans. In a society like ours, busy, diverse, and fast-paced, faith can sometimes feel disconnected from real life. But Islam was never meant to stay inside places of worship. Islam speaks to how we treat our neighbors, how we work with others, how we speak when we disagree, how we act when no one is watching. If faith does not improve our character, then something is missing, and this is not a modern idea. It is deeply rooted in Islamic teachings. The Prophet Muhammad clearly defined his mission. He said, "I was sent only to perfect good character." Hadith narrated by Ahmad, graded Hassan. Let that sink in. Not only to teach rituals, not only to establish laws, but to elevate character. Honesty, kindness, humility, justice. Becoming a better Muslim was never separated from becoming a better human being. Islam translates faith into daily behavior. The Prophet said, "The most beloved people to God are those who are most beneficial to others." Hadith narrated by At-Tabarani. Graded Hassan. That means being reliable at work, being respectful in disagreement, being compassionate to those who struggle. He also said, "None of you truly believes until he loves for others what he loves for himself." Hadith narrated by Al-Bukhari and Muslim. This teaching crosses cultures, religions, and borders. It reminds us, faith is not proven by claims, but by conduct. Islam does not ask people to choose between being faithful and being humane. It insists on both. As mentioned in Surah Al-Qasas, verse 77, God instructs, "Do good as God has done good to you." Goodness is not optional, it is a responsibility. So here's the reflection for all of us. If our faith made us more patient, more honest, and more compassionate, wouldn't the world feel different? If you are Muslim, let your character be your loudest message. Represent Islam through integrity and kindness. If you are not Muslim, judge Islam not by stereotypes, but by the values it calls people to live by. And for everyone, choose empathy over ego, service over selfishness, humanity over hostility. Because at the end of the day, the best Muslims are those who become the best humans,